Ancient philosophers often provided profound insights into living a fulfilling and meaningful life. Unfortunately, many people come to understand these lessons only later in life. Here's a look at some of these timeless lessons and why they might be learned too late. Number 1. Know thyself, Socrates. Lesson: true understanding and fulfillment come from self-awareness and introspection. Explanation: Socrates' advice to know thyself underscores the importance of self-discovery. Many people spend years trying to meet societal expectations or external standards before realizing that understanding their own values, desires, and motivations is crucial for genuine satisfaction and personal growth. Number 2. The unexamined life is not worth living, Socrates. Lesson: regular self-reflection and questioning are essential for a meaningful existence. Explanation: Socrates believed that life without critical self-reflection is shallow. People often learn this lesson after spending years in routines or roles that don't align with their true selves, leading them to eventually seek deeper meaning and purpose in their lives. Number 3. Moderation is key, Aristotle. Lesson: balance in all things, neither excess nor deficiency leads to virtue and happiness. Explanation: Aristotle's concept of the golden mean highlights the value of moderation. Many people discover the importance of moderation only after experiencing the consequences of excess or deficiency in various aspects of their lives, such as work, pleasure, or health. Number 4. Change is the only constant, Heraclitus. Lesson: embracing change and adaptability is crucial for personal growth and resilience. Explanation: Heraclitus' idea that change is inevitable can be difficult to accept. People often struggle with change and may only appreciate the importance of adaptability after encountering significant life transitions or challenges that force them to adjust their perspectives and strategies. Number 5. Happiness comes from within, Aristotle. Lesson: true happiness and fulfillment are derived from internal virtues and living a life aligned with one's values, rather than external achievements or possessions. Explanation: Aristotle emphasized that happiness is a result of living virtuously. Many individuals spend years pursuing external success or material wealth, only to find that these do not bring lasting happiness, leading them to later realize that inner contentment is more important. Number 6. Simplicity brings contentment, Epicurus. Lesson: simple pleasures and a focus on what is truly important can lead to greater happiness than the pursuit of complex or materialistic goals. Explanation: Epicurus advocated for simplicity and minimalism. People often learn this lesson after investing heavily in material wealth or status, only to find that simplicity and appreciating the basics of life bring more joy and fulfillment. Number 7. True friendship is essential, Aristotle. Lesson: deep, genuine friendships are vital for a happy and meaningful life. Explanation: Aristotle considered true friendship essential for a fulfilling life. Many people realize the depth of this lesson only later, after prioritizing work or other pursuits over building and nurturing meaningful relationships, leading to a newfound appreciation for the value of true friends. Number 8. Acceptance of death, Marcus Aurelius. Lesson: accepting mortality can lead to a more serene and purposeful life. Explanation: Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic philosopher, taught that acceptance of death helps to focus on living a virtuous and meaningful life. This lesson is often learned late as people grapple with their own mortality or the loss of loved ones, prompting a deeper appreciation of life's transience and the importance of living in alignment with one's values. These ancient lessons emphasize the importance of self-awareness, balance, adaptability, internal happiness, simplicity, meaningful relationships, and acceptance of life's natural cycles. Learning and integrating these insights earlier in life can lead to greater fulfillment and a more harmonious existence. Thanks for watching.